Greetings and salutations, everybody. Today we are going to be fixing this up, which is something that holds up my PD10 auger for the Kubota subcompact BX23s. It's nice because you get to just back right on into it, set it down, a cross beam goes right through here and holds the whole thing up, making mounting and dismounting the auger very simple. I built this a few years ago with scrap wood from another project, and if you notice, it's starting to get a little weak. That side's kind of all right. This side wiggles. This was old deck board that I had that's kind of rotting away. In addition to that, I had put screws in to hold all of the weight, and they're getting a little loose. Let's just move it over. Oh, I see why I put it there. There, nice sturdy nail for the base, and I went with thicker screws than before on the tops, just because I really couldn't get the nail in there too well. So there's the old, that's the new one. So these are also deck screws instead of just plain Jane construction screws. Those needed to go. All right, let's get some more nails in there and then do that side. Main difference is thicker board, obviously, and nails to hold it so they don't shear. As you saw, they were rusted out, and that one actually had two busted when I pulled them out. There, that's gonna keep that tight against the board. The rest of those will help with shear. Kept this board, I just unscrewed it, put deck screws in, and lowered it down to match up with this. Only issue I might have, we're 5/8 down, which means this got moved up 5/8 relative to the ground. So I have a feeling that when I try and link this back up, that's going to be too high. Yeah, I did end up moving those after I replaced the back holder and the front. The reason that's there is to house this, the PTO. If I can get her up, there we go. Damn it, there we go. Okay. Just so this end isn't sitting on the ground, this little pocket here holds it very nicely, and it's protected. Then you just gotta disconnect this darn thing. Hard to do one-handed, but still much easier than before here. Oop, gotta lower that. There we go. Those are free. There. There we go. Free as a bird. Woohoo! There you have it. It holds up pretty nicely. I do recommend green treated because it's going to sit outside. And then get some thinner boards, I don't know, for the top, but if you want. Ooh, I did not get that one in very good, did I? Oh well. That one's in there good. That's the support. This really just holds whatever I have in there. I gotta throw grease in here because I don't think I'm gonna use this for a while. Don't want her to get all rusty, do I? But yeah, holds in there. When you go and hook it up, you just back right in, And then you just push this down and kind of guide it into the rear pin there. And yeah, I know I don't have her completely under the awning, but the main gearbox is under there, and I just keep that greased. I just keep that pin greased, so it's fine. I don't want to take up too much of my parking. Parking's at a premium. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. I'm the Ill-Informed Human, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.